Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel where we talk about all things related to commercial real estate. In today's video, we're going to be discussing industrial buildings and why they make great commercial properties. What is an industrial building? An industrial building is a commercial property that is used for manufacturing, warehousing, distribution, or research and development purposes. These buildings typically have high ceilings, large open spaces, and are designed to accommodate heavy machinery and equipment. Why industrial buildings make great commercial properties? Location. Industrial buildings are typically located in areas with easy access to highways, airports, and other transportation hubs. This makes them ideal for businesses that require efficient transportation and logistics. Versatility. Due to their large open spaces and high ceilings, industrial buildings are incredibly versatile and can be adapted to suit a wide range of business needs. They can be used for manufacturing, warehousing, distribution, research and development, and even as office space. Investment potential. Industrial buildings are a great investment opportunity as they tend to appreciate in value over time. They also have high rental yields, making them an attractive investment option for commercial real estate investors. Minimal maintenance. Unlike residential properties, industrial buildings require minimal maintenance. This is because they are designed to withstand heavy machinery and equipment, making them more durable than other types of commercial properties. In conclusion, industrial buildings are an excellent choice for businesses looking for a commercial property. They offer versatility, investment potential, and minimal maintenance, making them a smart choice for both tenants and investors. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.